Hello everyone, let's do a quick video of our when we were in St. Paul, Minnesota for one day and one night. We were in St. Paul, Minnesota, which forms the Twin Cities with Minneapolis. On one side of the river is St. Paul, Mississippi River, and on the other side is Minneapolis. So here we are, we're driving into St. Paul, Minnesota. Of course, it's the state capital as well. It's a pretty little city. It's about 300,000 people that live here in this area. We're walking in a neighborhood. We're going to get lunch. It's a beautiful neighborhood. This is an area, I guess, that they've been kind of trying to fight gentrification. It's a beautiful area. We were trying to go to a barbecue place, or we were trying to get food from Laos, but unfortunately the place had those weird hours that, you know, come on 2 o'clock. So we ended up looking and finding a Korean barbecue place. Can't go wrong with Korean barbecue. I really wanted to taste some food from Laos, but they weren't open, so we went somewhere else. And on a side note, I found an Aldi's in St. Paul. I was so excited. I even bought a bag. We don't have Aldi's in Colorado, and I grew up on Aldi's, and so I got me a bunch of German chocolate and stuff like that. Anyway, we're getting lunch. This is going to be Korean barbecue. We are in St. Paul. Really, our main mission of being here is my wife bought tickets for us to go see Gary Clark. Gary Clark has won a lot of musical awards. He's a self-taught guitarist. He's really good. We would end up going to his concert that night. She bought the tickets while we were still in Colorado. So that's the main reason we were here. We got a hotel near downtown. We're basically right across from the Kellogg Mall Park, which was cool. There was a couple of homeless people here, and I think I said this in one of my other videos. The homeless people here are very polite in comparison to like other places I've been. Like, we had a couple of them wish us a good day, and we didn't give them any money or anything. They said, "I hope you have a good day." I said, "Okay." But I mean, I can't complain. I wish we had booked a boat ride while we were here. We saw a bunch of boats down in there that I know you can book and go on riverboat rides. So like I said, this is a view right here from our hotel room. We had a really good view. We didn't really enjoy this view that much because honestly we were here for the concert. I wouldn't mind coming back to St. Paul if I ever came back to Minnesota and exploring St. Paul a little bit further and bringing my e-bike in the summer, of course. Maybe the fall is early fall before it gets snowing and stuff like that. But it was pretty cool. I liked it. This is us this is the Gary Clark concert, getting ready for it. Also, this would be our last day and night in Minnesota before we started heading home. As I said in another video, this is the first vacation me and her have taken without any children with us in 20-some years, like a real vacation. And she wanted to check out Minnesota. So, and I was glad we went here. I liked it. I like Minnesota. I thought it was pretty cool. I think it's really pretty. Lots of lakes. I get it. I think it's very enjoyable, especially with the Great Lakes right here. And, you know, it's basically like you have a sea, an inland sea right next to you. So that's really cool. And then you have the Mississippi River running right through it here. Here's the concert right here. It was really good. I can't play the music because they'll copyright it. But no, he was really good. And the Lamont Anders, I think was his name, or Anderson, the gentleman who opened for him was really good as well. All in all, this is good. I bought a $30 Palace, we were at the Palace Theater shirt. And actually, it's pretty good quality, believe it or not. Usually those shirts are kind of sketchy, but it was good quality. This is us walking back. We were trying to find food. Oh my God, the concert lets out and there's nowhere to buy food. We ended up having to go to the bar and I ate cold pizza, which was okay, whatever, you know. There's a dining car. We didn't eat here, but when we were walking around during the day, we saw that and we thought that was pretty cool seeing this. I recommend going exploring St. Paul. We didn't explore as much as we should have, but I might come back in the future and do a little more exploring, especially with an e-bike. Anyway, Amazon links in the description. I just want to put this little video out here to give people a little bit of an idea of what it's like there. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.